children. Welcome to today's session. I am very excited about today because we will begin with story time. Today's story is about a cat called Max. Let's begin reading the story about the cat, meow, called Max. In a cozy home, there lived a fat cat named Max. The cat, Max, sat on the mat all day, sleeping and did not do any work at all. Look how the lazy cat, Max, is just sleeping the day away. One day, Max saw a rat hiding near a bat. It slowly went near the rat and jumped to catch it. The rat cried, "Ah, ah, ah," and bounced on the bag. The rat was very clever. It ran and hid under a hat. The rat found yummy jam under the hat. The rat ate the jam and hid it behind the tap. Max searched for the rat all around but couldn't find it. Max was tired and sad and finally fell asleep on the mat. Did you like the story about Max the cat? I'm sure you did. Now we heard a story about a cat. Can we try reading the word cat? The word cat is a CVC word. C stands for consonant and V is vowel. CVC word is made of consonant, vowel and consonant. Consonant, vowel and consonant. One vowel between two consonants. Each letter that you see on the screen has its own sound. We will blend the sounds together and read the word cat. Come with me. K, k, a, k, a, cat, cat. Now read with me. K, a, cat, cat. Let's blend another set of letters to make a CVC word. Our word is a, sad, sad. A, sad, sad. Look, this girl is feeling sad. I wonder if she fell down and hurt herself. When I fall down and hurt myself, I also feel sad. Oh, look at this yummy thing. What do we call this? This is jam. Can we blend the set of letters and try reading the CVC word? J, A, J, A, ja, jam. J, A, ja, jam. Very good. I sat on the chair for a long time. The boy sat on the chair too. Can we try blending the set of letters and make the word sat? A, sat, sat, a, sat, sat. Good job. It's time to read some more CVC words. Come. K, a, cat, p, cap. M, a, mat, mat. P, a, pat, pan. B, a, bag, bag. B, a, bat, bat. V, a, van, van. M, a, map, map. K, a, cat, can. Let's read again. K, a, cat, cap. M, a, mat, mat. P, a, pat, pan. B, a, bag, bag. B, a, bat, bat. V, a, van, van. M, a, map, map. K, a, cat, can. Now, let's match the CVC words to their pictures. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is a, map, map. I can see a map. So let's pick up our pencils and match the word to the picture of the map. Good job. The next word is p, a, pa, pan. Do you see a pan? Here we see a pan. So let's join the word to the picture. Good job. The third word is b, a, bag, bag. This is a picture of bag. Let's match the word to its picture. Good job. And the last word is a, va, van. And this is a van. Let's match. Here we go. Good job. Budding readers, now you know how to blend letters and make CVC words. Remember, CVC words are made of 2 consonants and a vowel in between. Goodbye.